Guys, we're doing a crazy game to 10. It's a series best of 3 games, and we have a nice little field set up. You see Everest over there. Nice field. I don't know if you can see them. Like there's boxes out there as the home run line. No, we're just doing normal. And we're gonna just do normal.
Slap people in the head.
Everest is pitching first. I'll pitch the second game.
Game to 7.
And then we'll rock, paper, scissors the third game. But since both of us have an advantage in pitching, we're gonna make it complicated. The third game, the batter gets to hit with the big blue bat. Okay, so I'm the batter first.
Guys, it's a game to 7.
Yeah. I
Game
said
to 7 3 times.
I said 10, but game to 7 3 times. Whoever wins more games wins. So let's do this.
Nerve-wracking.
Is it? Woo! One out. Oh, it just went foul. Just foul. 1-1. That was so close. Because that would have been a fair ball. It would have been a single. Yeah. 2-1. Intense game. 3-1. Big strike zone. Tall strike zone.
New ball.
That's technically a double. Because he was in the air past you. Remember grounders past the pitcher or singles?
Okay, fine, double.
Yeah, double. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot to explain the rules.
Oh yeah.
For anyone who doesn't know how game to 10 or game to 7 works, a home run is 4 points, a double's 2 points. A home run is past the boxes out there. A double is a line drive or anything in the air past the pitcher, and a single is on the ground past the pitcher. For the pitcher, he gets points by striking out people is 2 points, and just getting a normal out is 1 point. And he doesn't have to make a play; he just has to throw. He just has to field it cleanly. Okay, hit it. 2-0. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I found myself a cheat. How does that song go?
What?
Oh, I think I just found myself a cheerleader.
So it's 1-1. 1-1.
Yeah, you gotta be funny. Stop being so serious, man. Okay. I mean, just look at his fit. He has Dodgers Crocs on, Angels socks, Dodgers swim pants, Dodgers shirt, and Angels hat. What is this guy? 2-1. 2-2.
Barely got that.
Oh my gosh!
What's
Is
the
Green Prime overrated?
kind of?
Green Prime is overrated. Agreed. Green Prime is overrated.
That's the only prime that's not overrated.
That's the only Prime that is overrated. No! Your dropper, I hate it.
That was a knuckle.
That was not a good
that
that
was
was not a
knuckle.
good knuckle.
That was a knuckle.
Okay, 2-2.
2-2.
I'm gonna hit a swamp donkey. I'm gonna hit a swamp donkey.
What? I have a donkey that is in the swamp.
Yeah, the swamp's past the boxes.
Oh. No, not right now.
Kind of like at Giant Stadium, like the Giant Stadium, where it goes in the lake or whatever, the ocean, whatever. Get past the pitcher. Out. Okay. 3-2. Bruh. 3-2. That's fine. He's gonna throw his dropper, first pitch dropper, and then riser after that.
What the?
What was that? Was that a cut ball?
Yeah.
It was a white one, so it wasn't as good.
Bro.
3-0. A walk gives me a tie right now. Throw the ball!
Hey!
I should have left that. It was 3-0.
Right.
3-1.
Wow.
Okay. 3-3. Let's get a quick pick.
This is a good game. For once, this is a good game because I'm the go.
3-3. A homer wins it for me.
Already? Oh my god. Okay, I'm not nervous at all, Link. I know you're not gonna hit a home run off my idiom.
A homer wins it for me. A Homer Simpson wins it. Let's go, guys. Homer wins this for me. Wins the first game, at least. One up. Yeah, there's something wrong with you and the cut balls. 2-0. Good pitch. Good pitch. Did that hit like right here?
What?
Did that hit like right here? 2-1. Why did I go?
Because you're the biggest bird.
2-2. So, alright. I'm just going to hit this a swamp donkey right here. I did not go. I did not go. Full count. No, why did I hit under it? I knew it was going to drop. Why did I hit under it? Okay. 4-3. A home run wins it for me. What up? Good pitch. My new slides. 1-1. Woohoo! Hit the plate.
What's the count?
2-1. The score is 3-4. Oh, get out! Get out, ball! Double. 5 with the double. Okay, 5-4. Double wins the game.
What's the score?
5-4. A double and a home run win the game. Nothing wins the game for you right now. Oh no. 2-0. I'm out of the box. Ooh. That's the game winner right there.
No.
That's a double.
I know.
Well, game winner, not the series winner yet. And not a home run, so we can't do the surprise that I haven't told in this video yet. Right, Emers?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm pitching.
I actually did decently well. My knuckleball worked pretty good against him. My knuckleball?
And your dropper. Like your knuckleball, that drops.
I really want to pitch next time.
So, if you win, but you have to go against me.
And rock,
Wait,
paper, scissors.
you picked the new ball?
Yeah? Why?
I would say that.
Okay, guys. I lost the first game, of course. But okay.
I'm ready. Hi. I wish the camera was right here so I could tell them what pitches I was throwing.
You have to begin a fight to win a fight.
You said that like 6 times.
I don't care.
Oh no. Oh, that just missed.
I was gonna swing at that. I was thinking about it, but then I left it. 2-0.
Should have.
What the?
It's 2C.
That wasn't a. That was a ball, right?
Yeah.
3-0. I'm swinging.
It's 2-1.
No, 3-0.
Oh,
I 3-0.
yeah. Dang it.
Walk for me.
1-0 Everest.
1-0 me. Cause I suck. I suck peanut butter.
Why?
Because it's tasty. You almost hit the camera. It went like right here above the camera.
Okay. You're proud of your play.
Good pitch. 1-1.
1-1.
Yeah.
It almost came back.
I don't care. It's still a ball.
2-1. Get in.
2-1. 3-1. Connor, he's only thrown one strike.
No, I've thrown more than 1 strike.
No, you haven't. Walk. 2-0. 2-0. 2-0 to me. For a strikeout, he can still come back. So I can't be too like relaxed yet. 1-0. The wind messes up all your pitches, doesn't it?
Yeah, kind of. Settle, Win. Settle. Win, can you please settle while I'm pitching?
Don't
Hey,
settle.
settle!
Wow.
That was
3-0.
3-0. Man, I'm not doing that good right
I'm
now.
looking for a toe. 3-0. I'm looking for a toe. 3-0. The score, not the count.
Alright. I know what I have to do to win.
Just throw strikes.
Well, darn.
One and oh.
Don't get too excited, Buckaroo. That just missed.
I'm taking it until I get a strike.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
2-0.
And the wind is literally moving it.
I know.
I'm going in.
That's why I had trouble. It was hard for me to throw strikes with my knuckleball
So I'm
glove.
gonna throw it at you.
3-0.
At Everest. I can't throw.
4-0.
That's a walk, Digis.
I know. 4-0 count. 4-0 score. Guys, now I bet Lincoln's wanting to hit next round. Wouldn't you? Free to do it all your way.
I can't do it. It's moving it.
I know, that's why I had trouble. Free to do it all my way. I'm doing this until you throw a strike. Ah! 2-1. 2-1. Guys, I know what exactly I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it until 2 strikes. I know.
What pitch am I throwing?
I don't know.
You do know.
Slider.
How do you know? know?
I don't know. I just guessed it. 3-1. I'm free to do it all my way. I can win it with a home run. 4-0.
You can win it with a home run. I just missed. Sometimes it does, and then sometimes it doesn't.
5-0. That's what happened to me, right? The wind. It did everything. The wind stopped. Ow! Oh, that was kind of weird, but okay. That kind of did a little sting, but okay. 6-0? What's the count? What's the score? You hit first. You hit. Lincoln, you keep hitting. You hit. What's the score? What's the score? 5-0?
5-0.
And what's the count? 6-0. I could win it with the walk. And I didn't even have to swing the bat.
Makes the strike up. With the wagon wheel more on the
How would if I get a big lead? I have to hit lefty.
No.
Oh, okay. You want me to hit lefty? Okay. Strike. I'm looking to hit because I don't care if I get out. So. You throw me a strike, I'm gonna swing at it. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
1-1.
I told you because even if I strike out, I'm still winning by a lot. Still winning by 4. What's the count? 2-1.
1-2.
What? No, what? You hit the camera.
Yeah, I get
Guys, gets totally sniped.
Right.
I don't know where the spot is. You totally sniped the camera. You're so mean. Let me see. Oh yeah, you can see that, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Lincoln totally, okay, what's the count? 2-2? 2-2. Guys, I cannot strike out. I just need to make contact, foul it off, and I'm pretty good. 2-2. 5-1. No, 6-1. 6-1. If I get okay, does it really matter? Even if he strikes out, I'm still winning by 3. So
Nasty, though.
I almost swing at that. I have to tell you, I almost swing at that. I don't want to end it on a walk. I want to end it on a hit. So. What? Wow. Guys, I know exactly what I'm doing. Swinging if it's a strike. Swinging if it's a ball. Swinging if I think I can hit it. That's the Balls game.
No, it's not 3-1.
No?
3-1.
Oh yeah.
It's not the ball game yet. It's 3-1.
Oh, I thought I walked. Oh, okay. 3-1.
No, you didn't. Yeah, now you did.
That's the Balls game. You want to hit or pitch?
We have to rock, paper, scissors.
The winner gets to decide which one he wants.
Yep.
I'm doing scissors. I'm doing scissors. Okay.
Everett says he's going scissors. I don't know if I believe her.
I am. Remember at the beginning of next video, I said,
I don't know. Okay, you ready? I don't know if he is.
I am.
He could be lying.
I promise.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'm hitting.
Okay.
Definitely hitting.
Oh yeah, I lost last time.
The series is 1-1. The wind is really effective. It's windy outside. Can't really see it, but it is. And I know that affects his pitches. It makes all my pitches go that way. Whenever I play with the wind, it makes them just stop. It's so weird. It's so hard to pitch. So I'm looking for straight pitches literally every single time, or it's going to drop down. And I'm not good with droppers, so this is going to be hard. See? Okay. 1-0. One. This is gonna be the quickest wiffle ball game ever. How many pitches is that? 3? And the score's already 1-1. That's past the bucket.
Okay.
Yeah. 2-1. Let's go. Okay. If I win this game, I win the series. That's why I chose not to pitch, because it's hard. You see him struggling over there? That, I don't know how I hit that. To be fair. No. Yeah. That's a single though. 6-1. 5-1.
Double could win it for you.
Yeah. I tipped it.
I know.
Not that that means anything.
Double. You won.
Yeah. So
That's the quickest game.
that was really fast.
How long is the video?
So
Probably like 20 minutes. It's only 23
I won
minutes.
the first game. It was a close game the first game.
No.
The
Yeah.
second game, I just could not pitch for some reason because of the wind, but I could not pitch. And then the third game was the quickest game we've ever played, right?
Yeah. It was. I
Well-
only probably threw like 10 pitches.
I think on camera, from what we filmed, Everest has only won 2 videos. And I've won like
What?
7.
I've won the home run derby.
And your tic-tac-toe,
Oh yeah.
I think. Something like that.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.